Most recently, he was the head official for the Arctic Winter Games in Hay River. He's an instructor, he's an assessor, he's a regional referee. So he's done a lot. So Nick has been on the board of the directors for NWT Soccer for a while and has taken on the referee development program. He's trained, assessed, recruited and retained referees so that the leagues and tournaments that function in the NWT can actually run. He honestly pours his heart and soul into the referee program. I don't know anyone who would put in the amount of hours he does without getting some sort of return on investment. I honestly can't even imagine if he wasn't there. Anytime we need to do a clinic in a community, he's the first one to volunteer to go and to train the referees, or if it's just they need one referee for a tournament, he's the first one to volunteer to go. And without him doing that, I don't even know how we would function.